CBSE Sample Paper issued by Rachna Sagar Private Limited is a very fantastic book. This book contains all the essential material which a student need in his or her exam. First of all, I would like to say that this book has a very well designed map pointing system which is very different from the other books, and if student goes through this particular type of map, he or she will easily be able to solve the problems. And moreover, in some source based question also, there are a lot of different type of questions students can go through, and it is written as per the marks basis, and that will help the students in a lot of way. And moreover, student can get the answers also, so that if they are doing right or wrong, that can be also done through this way. And sample papers are based on average concept and easy concept and difficult concept, so the students, if they attempt the average one, they can go for the difficult one. This customization or this system of different stages are very helpful for the students. Even the picture study which are there in the sample paper are also very good, and those contain very good type of question and definite sections. Each and every sections are well arranged. The printing of the book is also very good, and the student will like it. Definitely the graphical portions are also very well defined in this particular book regarding the GDP sectors, about the sectors of the economy, which covers the portion of the economics. And for each paper you will get the scan answer script also, as well as the sample part, and there are a lot of sample sheets a student can go through. Each sample have a different coverage. So altogether this book is a very complete book, and I would recommend all the students, and I would tell the students, just go through this particular book. You will find your board examination quite easy, and it will help you a lot. Thank you so much.